Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a gorgeous bouquet of mixed crochet flowers, a sweet handmade gift perfect for birthdays, decor, or just to brighten someone's day. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Grab your favorite colors and let's have fun crocheting together. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more creative crochet ideas. Let's begin. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Into the ring, crochet 5 single crochets SC. Then slip stitch to join. Great job! This creates the center of our flower. Don't pull the ring too tight yet. We'll shape it better after the petals. Now for round 2, we'll create the petals. Repeat this 5 times. Chain 2, 1 double crochet, chain 1, then slip stitch back into the same stitch. This makes a lovely petal. Each petal shares the same base stitch. Take your time here and let each petal bloom. Tip: use a contrasting color for extra charm. Now let's crochet the stem. Chain 20, then turn and work 19 single crochets back along the chain. This forms a flexible stem. Well done! Isn't that cute? Let's move on to the butterfly. Start with a magic ring. We'll create the wings with 2 big loops. Repeat twice. Chain 4, bobble stitch, chain 4, slip stitch into the ring. Beautiful. These are your upper wings. Now let's add tiny stamens. Repeat twice. Chain 3, bobble stitch, chain 3, slip stitch. These make cute little antennae. Take your time with bobble stitches, they add wonderful texture. For the stem, chain 20, turn, and make 19 single crochets. That's it, you've got a little butterfly ready to flutter in your bouquet. Let's crochet a heart next. into a magic ring. Work the following all into the ring. Chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1 half double crochet, chain 1, 2 half double crochets, 2 double crochets, chain 2, slip stitch. Tighten the ring to shape your heart. You did it. Isn't that adorable? Tip: hearts look best in vibrant colors like red or pink. For the stem, again, chain 20, turn and crochet 19 single crochets. Lovely job. Let's move on to the tulip. Short and sweet. First, chain 20, skip 1 stitch and make 19 single crochets. This is your tulip stem. Clean and simple. Now for the tulip head. Chain 2, then work 6 double crochets into the same stitch. Finish with a slip stitch. Just like that, you've created a blooming tulip. Great progress, keep it up. Start with a longer chain this time, chain 25. Skip the first stitch, then work 24 single crochets. This gives lavender its elegant length. Now for the flower. Repeat this 8 times along the top. Chain 2, slip stitch. These little loops represent lavender petals. so gentle and elegant. Tip: use soft purple or lilac yarn to match real lavender. And that's it. You've completed your bouquet of mixed crochet flowers, filled with hearts, tulips, butterflies, and more. Arrange them into a beautiful gift or use them to decorate your room. I hope you had fun crocheting with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see your flower bouquet bloom. See you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.